So today we are going to talk about Webpack. What is Webpack? Webpack is a free and open source bundler for JavaScript applications. But Webpack can also bundle all of your project's dependencies that includes your JavaScript files, CSS files, HTML templates, and your images. Webpack takes all of your files and puts them into one single JavaScript file that can be loaded into the browser. This process is most commonly referred to as bundling. How does Webpack work? Webpack operates on a module concept, which allows you to write your application code in a modular way. This means that instead of having one large JavaScript file that contains all of your code, you can split your code into smaller, more manageable files that are organized by feature or functionality. Each of these files is known as a module. Webpack then takes these modules and compiles them into a single bundle that can be loaded by the browser. This process involves analyzing each module and its dependencies, resolving any import or require statements, and then combining all of the code into a single file. In addition to bundling your modules, Webpack also provides a number of features to optimize your application. For example, it can minify your code to reduce its size and improve performance. It can generate source maps to make debugging easier, and it can automatically inject dependencies into your HTML files. Webpack loaders and plugins. One of the key features of Webpack is its ability to use loaders and plugins to transform and manipulate your code. Loaders are used to pre-process files before they are added to the bundle. For example, you might use a CSS loader to transform CSS files into JavaScript modules that can be included in your bundle. Plugins, on the other hand, are used to perform more complex tasks, such as generating HTML files, optimizing images, or extracting CSS into separate files. Webpack is highly configurable, which means that you can customize it to fit the specific needs of your project. This can involve setting up multiple entry points, configuring different output formats, or using different loaders and plugins. You can also integrate Webpack with various front-end frameworks, such as React, Vue, or Angular, to provide an efficient and streamlined development experience. Webpack's ability to handle a wide range of assets and dependencies, along with its powerful customization options, make it a popular tool for modern web development. By using Webpack, developers can write modular, maintainable code that is easy to build, deploy, and maintain.